tell me that I'm not the only person that buys Christmas presents for his cars. Oh, come on, you know I'm not the only one. You know you do it. Comment below, let me know how many of you out there actually buy Christmas presents for your cars, as well as all the other people you have to buy Christmas presents for. Anyway, I bought presents for my car, but they're the wrong parts. But I'm going to use them anyway. Welcome back to day 2 of Vlogmas. And here they are. Now, if you're not quite sure what they are, this is a pair of quarter panel patch repair panels. They fit on the lower part of the quarter panels on the back of the Charger, just behind the back wheel that goes up to the back bumper. This bit here is part of the wheel arch, and this bit over here is where the bumper would fit into on the back of the car. And I know these are the wrong parts, and if you know the difference between a 69 Charger and a 68 Charger, you know that these are the wrong parts for mine because of this here. Now this, on these panels, is the cutout for where the side marker goes on the back of a 69 Charger. Obviously I don't own a 69, I own a 68. So the side marker on mine is way up here on the bodywork. But they're only cut out with metal, and they've got a lovely little indentation there for the quarter light to sit in, or for the marker to sit in rather. So I can just cut out a bit of steel, weld it in there, fill that gap up. I haven't done it yet because at the minute I don't know how much of these panels I actually need to use, because the rust on mine is down here at the back of the wheel arch, but it doesn't come this far up the panel. So I don't know how much of the panel I'll need to use, so I'm not messing about with that until I work out how much of this panel I need to cut off, or whether or not I'm going to use the full panel. But the reason I'm getting these ones for a 69 instead of the ones I need for a 68 is this. And from AMD, the panels that fit mine are $140 each. So AMD wants $140 for each panel, plus shipping from the States to the UK. The ones that I've got in there you've just seen, they cost me £150 delivered from someone down south in the UK that had them, no longer needed them. They'd bought full quarters instead of just using the patch panels. So they sold those on. I scored for a bargain. So I've got those. I'm certainly going to spend a little bit of time making them fit and possibly filling in the hole for the side marker, rather than spending 2 or 3 times as much money to get them delivered over here from the States. So that's going to make life a little bit easier with regard to doing the repairs to the outer panels on the back end of the Dodge Charger. I still need some more panels. I think I need a boot floor, I need the side drop-off sections, and possibly, I'd rather, part of it in a wheel housing, although I'm not sure about that until I start cutting into the car, which is something I'm obviously really looking forward to and not terrified about in any way whatsoever. So that's going to do it for day 2 of Vlogmas. Comment below and let me know if you also go out and you buy Christmas presents for your cars as well. And I'll see you tomorrow night at the same time, 7 PM, for day 3 of Vlogmas. Bye for now.